Here's the Elliott Wave Forecast for July 25th, 2012. On the S&P 30-day 1-minute chart, looks like we may have Wave 1, Upward 2, into a Downward 3 or C. And this is probably this is a very bearish formation, to be honest with you, because the gap down was vicious, like a couple days ago. And the gap down from 1365 down to 1337. It was just a vicious spike down, and when you get that kind of move, it's kind of hard to recover from that. And if this ends up being Wave 1, Wave 2 into Wave 3 or C, we could probably see S&P drop to as low as 1310 or as low as 1280. That'd be 1, 2, 3 or ABC. And the earnings from Apple are pretty awful. And well, not that they weren't terrible, but it was enough to have the stock destroyed after hours, down about 6% on the earnings. And futures are down about 30 in the Nasdaq and 7 or 8 in the S&P. So there's a good chance we might test as low as 1310 in the next couple days, if not 1280. For the Dow, same thing. This could be Wave 1, gap down, Wave 1, Wave 2 to Wave 3. Even though there's a late day rally, the futures are gapping down after hours because of Apple's earnings. And if the turns to 1, 2, 3 or ABC would target as low as I believe 12,500, or excuse me, the target as low as trying to calculate this right now. 12,000, 13,000 minus 400, about 12,300 if it's a downward C, and if it's a downward 3, the target is low as 12,000 or 12,100. Yeah, it could be that bad. And you get that gap down of that size, and even though we rallied and then we gave it all up today, it broke down below the Wave 1, which set up the downward 3 or C. For the Nasdaq's the worst chart by far. This could be Wave 1, Wave 2 to Wave 3 or C. And futures are down about 30, so there's a chance we could test as low as, let me see. Dropped about 120 points, so ABC would be about 2780, and 1, 2, 3 would be about 2700 in the Nasdaq. And for the NDX, if this is Wave 1, Wave 2, or Wave 3, or ABC, and ABC would target as low as 2500, or 1, 2, 3 would target as low as 2420 or 2430. In either case, though, we're looking at more downside because of we have the European. What really annoys me is that it's like every other month is like we need to bail out over and over again. I don't know how many times you're gonna ask for bailouts, man. It's like there's countries in Europe just keep asking for bailouts over and over again. Like, so we need another bailout. So I don't know how the summer's gonna end, but we're entering the worst period of the year, which is September, October, and August is usually a bad month too. So I wouldn't be surprised if we see more downside, at least a C wave down. And I've actually been starting to short again, and I've been actually going long SPXU, and I've made about 3 or 4 trades, and 3 of them have been profitable on the short side, and I'm getting more confident with my shorting ability, and when you have a downturn like this, that could last a little bit longer, probably next couple months, then shorting is the only way to make money. And I feel comfortable buying on the long side the SPXU because it's not a company, it's a triple ETF, and a 1% move gives you about 3%, and because it's not a company, you won't have like annoying day where it's up when the market's down or it's down when the market's up, you know. So if you want to subscribe to the website and you heard that I don't short, I take that back. Yes, I do short, but only during like longer downtrends. And I'm about 75% profitable on my shorting now. So I've been doing pretty well, but they're day trades. So I try to go for like 1 or 2%, and then I get out like intraday on these day trades. but then I go back on the long side when the market starts rallying. So I'm actually trading both sides of the market again. So if you're interested in subscribing again, yes, I'm shorting again. I'm doing pretty well with it. I'm just trying to gain confidence again by shorting. So especially in downturns like this. That's a wrap.